story that's been told time and time again about the foolish men who chase me, my discarded men. They used to tell me they loved me, but I knew better than them. I'd find them looking round on the corner, my discarded men. Piercing eyes with a vengeance, tell them to come and tell. They drive me with a gun. My discarded.
Okay, thank you.